I just want to say thanks to all those who have rendered assistance to Mikhail in this very difficult time. First, I just want to say thanks to the Alexandria Community Hospital, Stenans Bay Regional Hospital, Bustamante Children's Hospital, and last but not least, the Montefiore Hospital. I just want to say thank you a million. Words cannot explain the gratitude I have. I just want to say thank you and God bless you and big up on yourself, because God knows if I never uno, I don't know what would have happened to Mikhail. And I just want to say thank you to my mom, who was there for me in this very difficult time. She took my children, she stayed with them. I just want to say thank you to Samantha and millions. She was there for me